Hi, Ellie here. I bought the KARU 12G 3 months ago when it was launched. I was particularly interested in three things: the glass pizza door, the wood grate size at the back, and how the Ooni KARU gas burner operates with this oven with a chimney and glass door. I particularly enjoy using the KARU 12 range of pizza ovens as they are compact and easy to carry around. I found it to be very user-friendly in that it has been designed to set up quickly with the foldable legs. Wood-fired pizza ovens generally take longer to set up than gas. However, setting up for a wood cook with this oven is easy due to the access to the wood grate at the back. The wood grate size, I find it particularly favourable in comparison to the size of the oven. Why is the wood grate size so important? Because fuel management and a good sized grate is the heart and heat of your oven. You need a grate that enables you to place enough wood and lumpwood charcoal in to heat up the oven quickly. Pizza ovens with small wood grates with difficult access that can take only small pieces of kindling will require a lot longer to heat up. This oven takes really decent sized pieces of kindling and wood, and this means I'm not popping to the back of the oven every minute topping up the grate. It also has the option to use a gas burner, which can be purchased separately. Gas-fired ovens offer convenience and consistency with the delivery of temperature control inside the oven. With its built-in gas ignition, the burner system ensures hassle-free lighting. You can easily adjust the flame to achieve your perfect cooking temperature. I am lucky to own gas-fired pizza ovens, and so I only use the KARU 12G for wood-fired cooking at home. I have tested the gas burner for this channel, particularly for those who are considering buying it. Am I a fan of the gas burner with this oven? My feelings on this are that practically the gas burner gives you that option of convenience and easy setup when you don't fancy cooking with wood, not as your main fuel but as a secondary fuel option, and for that reason I would recommend using the gas burner. However, if you are looking to use this oven for gas cooking only or as your main fuel to cook pizza, I would recommend considering using a gas only fueled oven such as the Coda 12 or Coda 16 instead. The Rockbox delivers a super gas fueled pizza cook too. My main issue with this gas burner is that it cooks the top really fast and the placement of the flame is high over the pizza, so for me it tends to cook and bubble up the toppings rather than the crust. It does cook a lovely pizza though, but I prefer more of a bubbly crust cook than a toppings cook. I opened the pizza door for the gas cook to see if it helped lower the flame more onto my crust. I think that it did help, and so I ended up cooking my pizza with the door off, with the chimney toggle moved to a half-closed position. I like the protective black chimney toggle, so now I can move the inside vent without burning my fingers. What are my feelings about using this oven so far? And it heats up to a high heat, 500 degrees Celsius, 932 degrees Fahrenheit in just 15 to 20 minutes, both with the wood and the gas burner. Having the door on to heat the oven up for both fuels does help speed up that process, particularly on colder or breezy days. The side temperature dial is also super helpful. It means that you don't have to keep checking the temperature inside by opening the door all the time, and this then speeds up the oven heating process. Because this oven is compact, it's easy to set up and the stone can be removed, making it even lighter. I therefore tend to grab this oven when I want to make a wood-fired pizza because it's light enough for me to carry and set up. The KARU 12G can cook a lovely authentic taste Neapolitan pizza because of the temperature the oven reaches, both on the stone and inside the oven. The stone heat creates a crisp, fast-cooking pizza base, and both the wood and gas options at the back cook the crust and toppings fast without burning. Check out my useful how to light and heat up the Ooni KARU 12G video in the link above and below that provides more advice on heating up the stone and maintaining the flame in this oven. The oven's powder-coated construction looks modern and sleek and matches the other Ooni ovens in the range. There are no sharp edges and I have found it easy to clean and wipe down with a cloth when it gets dusty. The only visible change to the powder-coated surface is some discoloration along the top of the wood-fired grate opening area. I don't clean the inside of the oven as debris is burned off from the high temperatures inside the oven. If you've burnt pizza debris on your stone, check out my helpful How to Clean Your Pizza Stone video in the link above and below. From my cooking experiences over the last 3 months, I've enjoyed using the KARU 12G, in particular using the glass door so that you can monitor the wood and gas-fired pizza cook, and also the dial on the side really helps with managing the oven temperature. It doesn't smoke up, not from my cooking so far, but I do wipe it down when it's cooled just to keep it clean. I hope you enjoyed my 3-month review of this oven. I'll be checking in a few months' time to see how it's going, to update you on how my experiences are using this oven. I hope you found this video useful. Please check out my video tips and pizza oven reviews and first cook videos in the link above and below. Experience the cheesy goodness of my pizza-themed notebooks and daily planners, uniquely crafted by me. Available on Amazon with a link waiting for you in the video description. Grab yours today. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.